Right, so another question on banking. So what we have here is that Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2,500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he gets rupees 67,500. We need to find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta and the rate of interest he earns per annum. This question was asked way back in the ICSE 2010 examination. Right, so let's first note down all the given information. We've been told he deposits rupees 2,500 per month. So our monthly installment of rupees P is rupees 2,500. And he's doing this for 2 years. So our maturity value, or sorry, our maturity period is 2 years, which is basically 2 into 12, 24 months. Remember, we need to consider the value of n in terms of months as always. So at the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. That is our maturity value. MV is equal to rupees 67,500. And we need to find two things. First is the interest that he earns. And the second is the rate of interest per annum. That's nothing but R. All right. Now we've noted down all the information that is given to us. Let's start solving the sum. Right. So we'll start off by first discussing about the maturity value. So if you remember, maturity value is nothing but the amount deposited, total amount deposited, right? Total amount deposited, right? Plus the interest. And that's the formula that we usually use, like it's P into N plus the interest component, right? So here the maturity value is given to us, so let's put that down, 67,500. If you guys remember, the total amount deposited is nothing but I'm depositing P rupees every month for N months, so it is nothing but P into N. So I'll put down that value directly. So I can say this is P is 2,500 and N is 24. Right, and to that we need to add the interest, is basically the value that we need to find. Let's take it as I for now. Right, now if I solve this equation, I should be getting the value of I. So let's do that. I know I have 67,500 rupees here, and 24 into 25. Let's do that on a rough work. Right. Let's see. So 24 into 25. 25 fours are 100, so 10 carry, 25, 50, 50 and this 600. So that's going to be 60,000. Right. So 60,000. That is the amount deposited plus the interest I. Right, now all you need to do is rearrange the terms. If I take the 60,000 from this side to the other, it's going to become minus 60,000. That will give me I, which is equal to 67,500 minus 60,000. That is 7,500 rupees. Right, so I can say the interest is nothing but 7,500 rupees. Next, I also need to find the rate of interest. Right, and for that we have two options. Either I can use the formula for maturity value, the entire huge formula, or since I already know the value for I over here, I can use just the formula for I, which is P into N, N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Right, if you guys remember, that's the formula for I, and we know this value is 7,500 rupees. So I'll just plug in the values that I already know. P we know is 2,500 rupees. N we know is 24. N plus 1 is 25 upon 2 into 12. 2 into 12. The rate of interest we need to find over here. So that's our unknown value. Rate of interest is unknown, so we can take that as R, and entire thing upon 100 is equal to 7,500. Okay, so this is our equation to solve for R. Let's keep R on one side and take all the other terms on the other side. So I can say R is equal to 7,500. Terms in the denominator will come in the numerator, will be 12 into 12, sorry, into 2 into 12 into 100. Terms in the numerator will come in the denominator. So that is 2,500 into 24 into 25, right? So two zeros here, can get two zeros here. 25 ones are 25 threes are. Two ones are, two 12s are, 12 ones are, 12 ones are. 25 ones are and 25 fours are. So this works out to 3 into 4, which is 12%. So I can say R is 12%. Right. So I found the two things that we need to find. Let's write our final answer. The first part was the interest earned. So the interest earned is rupees 7,500, and the rate of interest is 12% per annum. This here is our final answer.